Welcome to Fine Group. This is computerized Vickers testing machine. It contains number of parts. This is XY table. This XY table is used to move the testing optics. Here there are two micrometers used for XY table. This is a main screw, handle nut. These are various types of rods which you are going to check the machine. These are push buttons: 5 kg, 10 kg, 15 kg, 20 kg, 30 kg, 40 kg, 50 kg. This is loading and unloading handle. This is industrial IPC. When we are going to check the indentation, that time we are pressing this push button. This is push button. When we press this push button, that time this loading handle will go up. Indentation will be take place here. 1 minute. Suppose I am repeating again. At the time of indentation, I am taking this S-block under the indenter. Now I am pressing this push button. That time this loading unloading handle will be automatically goes up. Indentation will be taking place here. After 8 or 10 seconds, press this handle downward, move this XY optics with XY table under the camera, see the impression here and measure the impression. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Now I'll explain you about this computerized system and our software. This is industrial PC. Windows 7 based industrial PC we have provided here. It can be upgraded for further models also, for further Microsoft softwares also. So you can log in like this. So this software, here you can give your username or password. If you want, you can keep. Then after clicking OK, you can enter into the software. There are 4 main options for you. This is masters. In masters you can enter customer details, that means your details. Then part details you can enter, the part which you are going to check, those you can enter over here. Then this is test. This is for new test, and shortcut we have provided over here. This blue color icon is for new test. Then reports, you can generate all types of reports, mainly statistical analysis, and you can view all the results also. Here you can view these results. You can prepare your own certificate also. Here whatever results will be there, all those results will be shown over here. Those you have to select, and then after clicking OK, certificate will be generated. Then reading, you can view simple readings also. To exit, this exit key you can use, or this red color button also you can use to come out from the system. And this is keypad. Shortcut for keypad is provided here for user friendly application. So now to start with the new test, here this is the very first screen. During starting for the new test, you can enter customer name, certificate number. So if you want, you can do batch testing also. Part number, part description. This equipment model and serial number will come along with the system only. This heat treatment, the details about the heat treatment also you can enter here. Then after accepting the data, now which load you have selected, that load you can select. Start from 1 kg to 50 kg for special machines, and from 5 kg to 50 kg for standard machines. You can select the scales. So now I have selected this 30 kg. after starting the test, it will ask you about the job number, job details. This is not actually mandatory. You can enter or you can skip this. Now, here the impression is. Actually, after taking the impression, this impression will come automatically in front of the camera whenever you slide the table. So normally we are after pre-adjustment, that will come properly. So this is the impression. Now after taking the impression and after sliding this table, this impression will come automatically in front of the camera like this, and press this measure key. This will give you the result. If you want once again, then again by clicking only measure key, this will give you the result. Like this you will get the result. Now if you want to select another sample, like this you can say accept data, select whatever load you want. Once again, start test. Like this, click again, you'll get the result. Here, this is the calibration mode. In the customer mode, you don't have access in the calibration mode. Here, you can export the files to MS Office formats or Excel formats, whatever you want. So this much is enough, I think.